Hi, friends, and welcome to week 2 of Writing for Kindergarten. I am so excited because last week you did such a great job, and this week you are going to grow your brains even bigger. Let's read our focus phrase for the week. First, my turn, then your turn. I add details to my sentence. Your turn. I add details to my sentence. Great job. I want to think about the word details. Details is when you're adding more information. And as a writer, we add more details so the reader can visualize the sentence more. So last week we worked on our subject and a verb in a sentence. For example, the dog sleeps. Subject and verb, so yes, a complete sentence. But what if we add more details so the reader can visualize? What about this? My fluffy dog sleeps in his bed. Are you able to visualize that more, what the dog looks like, where the dog's sleeping? So when we add details, I want you to think of 4 W's. We have who, what, when, and where. You can add all those details to your sentences so it's clear to the reader to visualize the sentence you're writing. So for week 2 of Writing for Kindergarten this week, on day 1, you're going to click the link below to listen to the read aloud of The Great Brilliant Deep by Kate Messner. After you watch that read aloud, you're going to click the next link to watch the writing lesson. On day 2, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil to click the link below to go ahead and watch the video Miss Ribeiro has prepared on day 2. And finally, for day 3, you will bring back that piece of paper and pencil, click the last link below, and watch the final lesson for writing this week. Once you're done, be sure to take a picture and send it to your teacher so we can see all the hard work you're doing with your writing and so we can celebrate you. Thank you for all your hard work, friends. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.